Hi, my name is Marty Auer. I'm a professor of civil and environmental engineering and a research fellow here at the Great Lakes Research Center. I'm joined here today by Joan Chadde, who's the director of the Center for Science and Environmental Outreach, which is based here at the GLRC. Outreach is one of the key activities of the GLRC, where university scientists and engineers and staff go beyond the borders of our typical constituency of college students to reach out into the community and share the vitality of the natural world and the excitement of chasing mysteries in the waters of the Great Lakes. Joan, what's going on in outreach this week?
This is a busy week. So we have 2 summer camps going on. One is for grades 1-2, and that's taking place over at the Nature Center. We just are expanding beyond our abilities here. And so they're out doing a lot of nature hikes, learning about wildlife and plants and frogs and just having a great time. But here it's really great. We're having the older students, and these are students in grades 3 through 5, and they're learning how to use microscopes and then also how to use iPads that actually have microscopes on them, and then they can make iMovies. So we want to show you some wonderful interviews with the students, hearing right from their mouths, their enthusiasm for what they're doing, and seeing them in action. And I'm busy today and yesterday. We have a group. We had a group from Finlandia University yesterday, and today we're hosting a group of young people from the Keweenaw Bay Indian Community's Ojibwe Community College. So things are just really buzzing here. And then you had a Teachers Institute yesterday. Right, we did. We had a one-day invasive species workshop with half a dozen teachers. They came from Marquette, Negaunee, and the local area, Houghton, Hancock, and Calumet. And we had wonderful presenters. Sigrid Resch, who is a research associate up in forestry, and also the coordinator of the Keweenaw Invasive Species Management Area, was our morning presenter, and we did some good field work with her. And then in the afternoon, we had Dr. Casey Huckins, who is one of the scientists here in the Great Lakes Research Center, and he was sharing with us his aquatic plants and the research that he is doing with a large grant from the Department of Natural Resources.
Summertime at the GLRC, it's a busy situation, and we're all having a lot of fun. So what are we going to see in this TV6 clip?
Yeah, so it'll be great because we'll get a chance to hear from students, their enthusiasm for what they're doing, their excitement for learning science, and then we'll actually get to see them in action. So let's watch.
Great, yeah.
Students are still learning during their summer vacation by taking to the outdoors.
They're exploring all aspects during Michigan Tech's Summer Science Camp. TV6's Houghton Hancock Bureau reporter Leah Hodges shows us what they're learning.
1st through 6th grade students are exploring beyond the classroom this week. They're learning a thing or two about the wildlife around them in science camp. The camp is put on by Michigan Tech's Science and Environmental Outreach Program.
It's a fun, outdoor, hands-on camp, and it's not meant to be school-like. It's very experiential, and the kids really enjoyed it last year, and so we're offering it again this year.
Students were looking for signs of animals by studying their footprints at the Nature Center, including squirrels, rabbits, and frogs, then ventured into the woods to find their tracks. Some say they're looking forward to more of what the camp has to offer.
I like all the different shapes and sizes and the pretty flowers, and I really like animals.
Some students put on their wet boots and head to the edge of Portage Lake on Michigan Tech's campus as they were looking for microorganisms. Students were using iPads to capture what they found.
We studied a spider and a tadpole and many different insects and flowers.
Students will continue to learn throughout the week in the Summer Science Camp. Leah Hodges, TV6 News, Houghton.